Everyone thinks the best-selling outdoor motion sensor lights are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, HMCITY solar lights. The HMCITY solar lights caught my eye instantly with their sleek black design and impressive specifications. Priced at just $12.98, they're super affordable for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor security without breaking the bank. If you want reliable motion detection and easy installation, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These lights have an enhanced peer motion inductor that detects movement and activates the light instantly, keeping your path safe. With 800 lumens of brightness and a wide 270 degrees lighting angle, these lights illuminate areas effectively, covering up to 30 square meters. The high-efficiency solar panel generates 15% more electricity than other models, so you can trust they'll work even on cloudy days. They also boast 3 versatile lighting modes, letting you customize how you want them to perform. Honestly, that kind of flexibility is a game changer when it comes to security. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being strong enough for larger backyards. Here's the thing though, if you have a typical garden or patio, you should be just fine. But for expansive areas, you might want to look for something more powerful. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution to light up your yard without complicated setups. Skip this one if you need something for a big property. Now, if HMCITY's brightness range made you think twice, the next one might actually be even better for covering larger areas. Product number 2, MIHANI solar floodlights. Next up, we have the MIHANI solar floodlights priced at $24.68. I love how these lights come with 3 adjustable heads, giving you a wider coverage area. If you want a reliable solution that really lights up your outdoor space, these are worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the impressive 2500 lumens of brightness. The 270 degrees wide-angle illumination means you get all-around coverage, which is fantastic for security. Plus, the built-in peer sensor detects motion from up to 30 feet away, which means you'll never be left in the dark. The high-conversion tempered glass solar panel boosts efficiency, allowing for quicker charging and longer illumination times. This genuinely surprised me when I learned how much power they can generate. Here's the thing, if you live in a sunny area, that won't be an issue, but it could be a drawback in regions with frequent cloud cover. This is perfect for you if you want powerful lighting and a wide coverage area. Skip this one if your outdoor space is very small or if you experience a lot of overcast weather. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for intense security needs. Product number 3, AOTEC Solar Motion Lights. The AOTEC Solar Motion Sensor lights come in at $19.99 and are quite impressive with their 6-pack offering. What caught my attention was the combination of affordability and performance. If you want multi-purpose lighting for various spots around your home, this is worth a serious look. You get 800 lumens, and with a 270 degrees wide angle, they're fantastic for both security and ambience. The IP65 waterproof rating means they can withstand extreme weather, and the high-efficiency solar panel ensures they charge well even in less than ideal conditions. This part genuinely surprised me, as many cheaper models struggle with charging. On the downside, some users felt the lights could be a bit dim compared to higher-end options. But here's the thing, for the price and for smaller areas, they still do a great job lighting up your space without needing wiring. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that covers multiple areas. Skip this one if you need extremely bright lighting for a large yard. Now, if the previous product's brightness wasn't quite what you want, the next option is definitely designed for those who need serious illumination. Product number 4, LUTEC32W LED Security Light. Next up is the LUTEC32W LED Security Light, priced at $36.99. What really grabbed my attention was its hefty brightness of 3,500 lumens. If you want something that truly lights up your yard and gives you peace of mind, this is worth a serious look. That means it can pick up movement from quite a distance, making it perfect for security. The 4 lighting modes offer a lot of flexibility, from a test mode to a dusk to dawn setting. I'll be real with you, that kind of versatility is gold for customizing how you want your lights to behave. Now, some users mentioned it might be a bit tricky to install if you're not familiar with electrical work. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or have someone to help you out, the setup is worth the hassle for all that brightness. This is perfect for you if you value high brightness and customizable settings. Skip this one if you're looking for something plug and play. Alright, that was an impressive choice. But the last product on our list brings even more power to the table. Product number 5, LUTEC72W LED Security Light. Finally, we have the LUTEC72W LED Security Light priced at $39.99. If you want the absolute best in brightness and functionality, this is worth a serious look. With a massive 7,500 lumens output, this light is a powerhouse for outdoor lighting. Plus, the 4 lighting modes allow you to customize it to your needs, whether you want it constantly on or prefer it to activate only with motion. Honestly, the flexibility here is fantastic for varying situations. However, some users pointed out it can be a bit expensive compared to others. Here's the thing though, for the brightness and features you're getting, it's a solid investment if you need reliable outdoor lighting. This is perfect for you if you want the brightest option available for maximum security. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. To wrap things up, we've seen a great range of outdoor motion sensor lights, from affordable options like the HMCITY and AODEC to the powerful LUTEC models. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a choice. In summary, the HMCITY lights are great for budget-conscious buyers, while the MIHANI and AODEC models provide a balance of performance and price. The LUTEC32W is ideal for serious security needs, and for the ultimate brightness, the LUTEC72W is the way to go. Choose based on what you truly need for your outdoor space.